Hello, welcome to a FingerNailFixer video. In this video, I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to add foil and really change the look up with Matte Topcoat. Let's start by applying 2 layers of your favorite color of gel polish. Cure each layer. If you happen to decide to use C&D Shellac Luxe, you'll need to go ahead and apply a layer of Topcoat and cure. Then cut your foil into square pieces so that you have several straight edge sides. Use the straight edge sides to apply the foil in a diagonal manner so that you start creating the stripes. If you start at the front or free edge of the nail and work your way back creating the stripes, you'll automatically fill the space so that you can alternate colors of the stripes. For the video, I happen to use gold and silver. You could absolutely use any color combination of your choice. This could also be done on dry polish if you used transfer foil adhesive. This is just really basic transfer foil. Make sure that the shiny or the colorful side of the foil faces you when you press it down on the nail. It's also important that you do not remove the sticky layer or the top film so that it is able to pull the transfer foil off to give you your design. Once you've created your design with the transfer foil, it's time to add Matte Topcoat. You'll want to apply a nice thin layer of the Matte Topcoat over the entire nail and then cure the Matte Topcoat for the normal amount of time that you usually would. This gives you a really simple look that is also very dramatic. It has just this really wicked effect because of the combined shine of the foil with the matte effect of the top coat. It's just a really unique look that's a lot of fun and easy to achieve with a matte top coat. For those that want to know, I used C&D Shellac Luxe. The color is Grace. Please be sure to click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to be the first to know about future videos.